Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we have brought to you mock test number 1 on agricultural economics. So in this series we'll try to come up with more and more subject wise test series. So the mock test will be most helpful for all upcoming agri competitive exams. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Question number 1. During which year the National Agriculture Policy of India was enacted? The options are 1998, 1999, 2000 or 2002. The correct answer is option C, 2000. So during 2000, the National Agriculture Policy of India was enacted. Question number 2. The shape of isoquant for perfect substitute is? The options are parallel to x-axis, linear line, parallel to y-axis or convex to origin. The correct answer is option B, linear line. So the shape of isoquant for perfect substitute is linear line. Question number 3. The first type of cooperative societies established in India are dash. The options are credit societies, farming societies, marketing societies or housing societies. The correct answer is option A, credit societies. So the first type of cooperative societies established in India are credit societies. Question number 4. Which of the following is not affiliate body of World Bank? The options are IMF, IDA, IFC or WTO. The correct answer is option D, WTO. So WTO is not affiliate body of World Bank. Question number 5. LAMPs were established in India on the recommendations of dash. The options are Narsimhan, Bawa Committee, Nicholson or Mohan Kanda. The correct answer is option B, Bawa Committee. So LAMPs were established in India on the recommendation of Bawa Committee. The next question is, kinged demand and price rigidity are seen in this market structure. The options are oligopoly, perfect, monopoly, duopoly. The correct answer is option A, oligopoly. So kinged demand and price rigidity are seen in this market structure, which is oligopoly. Question number 7. Due to fluctuation in price, dash risk arises. The options are production risk, marketing risk, price risk or financial risk. The correct answer is option B, marketing risk. So due to the fluctuation in price, the marketing risk arises. Question number 8. The demand for farm inputs is said to be dash. The options are derived demand, reservation demand, effective demand or ineffective demand. The correct answer is option A, derived demand. So the demand for farm inputs is said to be derived demands. Question number 9. Which of the following type of factor substitution is common in agriculture? The options are constant rate, increasing rate, decreasing rate or fixed proportions. The correct answer is option C, decreasing rate. So decreasing rate is the type of a factor substitution which is common in agriculture. Question number 10. Which cost is said to be unit cost of production? The options are total cost, average variable cost, average fixed cost or average cost. The correct answer is option D, average cost. So average cost is said to be the unit cost of production. Question number 11. Elasticity of production is obtained directly from which production function? The options are linear, square root, quadratic or Cobb-Douglas. The correct answer is option D, Cobb-Douglas. So elasticity of production is obtained directly from Cobb-Douglas production function. Question number 12. Line representing various combination of two inputs that can be purchased with given outlay of fund is called as? The options are isoquant, iso revenue line, iso cost line or income curve. The correct answer is option C, iso cost line. So line representing various combination of two inputs that can be purchased with given outlay of fund is called as iso cost line. Question number 13. When large number of seller deal in heterogeneous and differentiated form of commodity, it is called as dash. The options are perfect market, oligopoly market, oligopsony market or monopolistic competitive market? The correct answer is option D, monopolistic competitive market. So when large number of sellers deal in heterogeneous and differentiated form of commodity, it is called as monopolistic competitive market. Question number 14. First state warehousing corporation was set up in. The options are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Bihar or Gujarat. The correct answer is option C, Bihar. So the first state warehousing corporation was set up in Bihar. Question number 15. The apex organization of marketing cooperation in India is dash. The options are NAFED, CACP, APEDA or FCI. The correct answer is option A, NAFED. So apex organization of marketing cooperation in India is NAFED. Question number 16. The following is not included under 5 C's of credit. The options are character, creative, capacity, conditions. The correct answer is option B, creative. So creative is not included under 5 C's of credit. The 5 C's of credit include character, capacity, capital, collateral and conditions. Creative is not included in it. Question number 17. Loans advanced to a fertilizer manufacturing companies are called dash. The options are open loan, direct loan, key loan or indirect loan. The correct answer is option D, indirect loan. So loans advanced to a fertilizer manufacturing companies are called indirect loan. Question number 18. Two-tier system in cooperative credit structure provides dash. The options are short-term loans, medium-term loans, long-term loans or both B and C. The correct answer is option C, long-term loans. So two-tier system in cooperative credit structure provides long-term loans. Question number 19. Which method of depreciation is used to estimate the value of livestock in its early years of life? The options are annual revaluation, diminishing balance, straight line or reducing fraction. The correct answer is option A, annual revaluation. So annual revaluation is the method of depreciation which is used to estimate the value of livestock in its early years of life. Question number 20. Cost minimization is the goal of dash. The options are factor-factor relationship, factor-product relationship, input-output relationship or product-product relationship. The correct answer is option A, factor-factor relationship. So cost minimization is the goal of factor-factor relationship. Question number 21. T-board came into existence in the year dash. The options are 1963, 1983, 1973 or 1953. The correct answer is option D, 1953. So T-board came into existence in the year 1953. Question number 22. The World Trade Organization WTO is located at dash. The options are Geneva, New York, Rome or Uruguay. The correct answer is option A, Geneva. So the World Trade Organization is located at Geneva. Question number 23. The main objective of hedging is, the options are maximization of profit, minimization of price risk, reduction in transaction cost or all of these. The correct answer is option B, minimization of price risk. So the main objective of hedging is minimization of price risk. Question number 24. These charts are particularly useful in showing trends and relationships. The options are bar charts, pie charts, line charts or tabular charts. The correct answer is option C, line charts. So these charts are particularly useful in showing trends and relationships. Question number 25. Who is responsible to prepare district credit plan for the districts? The options are SBI, RBI, Lead Bank or Cooperative Bank. The correct answer is option C, Lead Bank. So Lead Bank is responsible to prepare district credit plan for the districts. Moving on to the next question. The following is not an advantage of diversified farming. The options are better utilization of farm resources, reduced farm risks, flow of income or ineffective supervision. The correct answer is option D, ineffective supervision. So ineffective supervision is not an advantage of diversified farming. Question number 27. Under which scheme the loans are being extended to the weaker sections of the society who do not possess tangible security? The options are Village Adoption Scheme, Lead Bank Scheme, Farm Graduate Scheme, or Differential Rate of Interest Scheme. The correct answer is option D, Differential Rate of Interest Scheme. So, under differential rate of interest scheme, the loans are being extended to the weaker section of the society who do not possess tangible security. Question number 28. Learning curve is the other name of which cost curve? The options are long run average variable cost curve, long run average cost curve, short run average cost curve, or none of these. The correct answer is option B, long run average cost curve. So learning curve is the other name of long run average cost curve. Question number 29. In the classical production function stage, which stage is said to be rational zone? The options are second, third, first, last. The correct answer is option A, second. So in the classical production function stage, second stage is said to be rational zone. Question number 30. The type of ownership is individual and that of ownership is collective in the case of cooperative. The options are tenant farming, collective farming, joint farming, beta farming. The correct answer is option C, joint farming. Question number 31. If output of one product can be increased only through reduction in the output of the other product, then that enterprise is said to be dash. The options are complementary enterprise, competitive enterprise, supplementary enterprise, or joint products. The correct answer is option B, competitive enterprise. So if output of one product can be increased only through reduction in the output of other product, then the enterprise is said to be competitive enterprise. Question number 32. A market in which only one seller and only one buyer are present, it is known as dash. The options are monopoly, duopoly, monopsony, or bilateral monopoly. The correct answer is option D, bilateral monopoly. So a market in which only one seller and only one buyer are present, it is known as bilateral monopoly. Question number 33. The situation in which the marketed surplus is more than marketable surplus arises for dash farmers. The options are only marginal, small and marginal, medium, or large. The correct answer is option B, small and marginal. So the situation in which the marketed surplus is more than marketable surplus arises for small and marginal farmers. Question number 34. Superior alternative to fair price shop system suggested by 10th, 5th, 5-year plan is dash. The options are food coupon scheme, subsidy entitlement card, food stamp system, or food card system. The correct answer is option D, food card system. So superior alternative to fair price shop system suggested by 10th 5-year plan is food card system. Question number 35. Ceiling price concept is to protect dash. The options are farmers, consumers, market intelligence, or public agencies. The correct answer is option B, consumers. So ceiling price concept is to protect consumers. Question number 36. CWC was established in dash. The options are 1947, 1957, 1950, or 1965. The correct answer is option B, 1957. Moving on to the next question. Pricing efficiency is said to be achieved if product is sold in two different forms when price difference is dash. The options are less than transport cost, less than storage cost, less than processing cost, or more than processing cost. The correct answer is option C, less than processing cost. So pricing efficiency is said to be achieved if product is sold in two different forms when price difference is less than processing cost. Question number 38. The intersection of the demand and supply curves indicate the equilibrium dash. The options are price and supply, supply and price and quantity, supply and quantity. The correct answer is option C, price and quantity. So the intersection of the demand and supply curves indicate the equilibrium, price and quantity. Question number 39. The wants, efforts, dash sums up the subject matter of the economics. The options are money, satisfaction, returns, or none of these. The correct answer is option B, satisfaction. So the wants, efforts, satisfaction sums up the subject matter of economics. Question number 40. Consumers dash is what we are prepared to pay minus what we actually pay. The options are behavior, habit, surplus, willingness. The correct answer is option C, surplus. So consumers surplus is what we are prepared to pay minus what we actually pay. Question number 41. What is the operational holding? The options are land area owned by the farmer, net land area cultivated by a farmer, land area leased in by a farmer, or cropped area cultivated by a farmer. The correct answer is option B, net land area cultivated by a farmer. So what is operational holding? It is the net land area cultivated by a farmer. The next question is, a farm on which 50% or more receipts are derived from one enterprise is known dash farm. The options are mixed, specialized, ranching, or mechanized. The correct option is option B, specialized. So a farm on which 50% or more receipts are derived from one enterprise is known as specialized farm. Question number 43. The produce in different lots is mixed and then sold as one lot is known as dash. The options are Morgam sale method, open auction method, Hatha system, or Dara sale method. The correct answer is option D, Dara sale method. So the produce in different lots is mixed and then sold as one lot is known as Dara sale method. Question number 44. Dash margins refer to the difference between the prices prevailing at successive stage of marketing at a given point of time. The options are concurrent, lagged, both A and B, or none of these. The correct answer is option A, concurrent. So concurrent margins refer to the difference between the prices prevailing at successive stage of marketing at a given point of time. Question number 45. Production function indicates the relationship between dash. The options are two inputs, two outputs, input and output, or none of these. The correct answer is option C, input and output. So production function indicates the relationship between input and output. Question number 46. A farm with land holding size ranging between 1 to 2 hectares is called as dash. The options are small farm, marginal farm, medium farm, or semi-medium farm. The correct answer is option A, small farm. So a farm with land holding size ranging between 1 to 2 hectares is called as small farm. Question number 47. Dash is the excess of what we are prepared to pay over what we are actually paying for a commodity. The options are surplus payment, consumer surplus, marketable surplus, or marketed surplus. The correct answer is option B, consumer surplus. Question number 48. Which of the following is not a farming system on the basis of land use and cultural practice classification? The options are specialized farming, tenant farming, mixed farming, or diversified farming. The correct answer is option B, tenant farming. So tenant farming is not a farming system on the basis of land use and cultural practices classification. Question number 49. Which of the following is not a physical factor affecting the type of farming? The options are topography, climate, labor supply, or soil. The correct answer is option C, labor supply. So labor supply is not a physical factor affecting the type of farming. The last question is, cost calculated per quintal is known as dash. The options are cost of farming, cost of production, cost of cultivation, or total cost. The correct answer is option B, cost of production. So cost calculated per quintal is known as cost of production. That was all. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.